So here we can read this as A complement. The same with this, A complement. It's up to us whether we like to use this one or this one. Okay, in this operation, ano naman yung mga elements na nandito sa A complement? What do you think? So, when we have here, when we have this operation, yung mga elements po na kasali dyan is yung mga elements na hindi mo makikita sa set A. Parang, i-disregard mo muna ito for the meantime, yung A mo. Alisin muna natin to. So, what are the elements that you can see without set A? So here we have 3, 5, 7, 15, 13, 11, 2, 6, 8, 10. Let us see kung tama. Okay. We have here the list of the elements. Lahat ng wala sa A. Okay, tandaan. When we have complement, yan yung mga element na wala doon sa set. Okay po? Clear? Okay, let's have another example. What if we want to find the elements that are present at B complement? So, ngayon naman, i-disregard natin yung C, yung set B, aalisin natin dito yung set B. Okay? Ano yung mga element na natira kung aalisin natin ito, set B? So, we have 15, 13, 11, 3, 5, 7, 1, 25, and 9. Okay. Okay. Here. How about let's try to combine the other operation using this complement. Okay. Now, how can we answer this one? We have two operations na, no? We have here union and complement. So, just like the algebraic way on how to solve a number, we will apply that in this operation. First, yung nasa loob muna ng parentheses. Hanapin muna natin yung mga yung mga elements rather, na nasa loob ng A union B. So, ano yung mga elements na nasa loob ng A union B? Okay. Di ba? Nasa loob siya ng overlapping circle. Union A or B. Elements that are present at A or B. So, meaning kasali ito po, and ito. Wait, let me erase that first. Okay. So, this part, yung nasa loob ng parentheses. This element. But, nung nakuha natin yan, ano sinasabi? A union B complement. When we have this, when we interpret na itong nasa complement part, yung complement daw nito. So, ito yung mawawala. Aalisin natin tong part na to. Alisin natin yung A, union B. Ano po yung natira? Ano po yung natira sa ating set, sa universal set natin? So, we have 3, 5, 7, 15, 13, and 11 na lang. Okay. Clear po ba yon? Clear ba yon sa atin? Okay, that's good.